Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts on Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Next, tap on the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen, then select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down again until you see the What People See section. Under this section, tap on Read Receipts. You'll see that read receipts are turned on by default. To disable them, simply toggle the switch off. Once turned off, other people will no longer be able to see when you've read their messages, and you won't be able to see when they've read yours either. That's it. You've successfully disabled read receipts on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.